Hey, what's going on, family? It's the rapping chef. You already know we're back in the kitchen. We cooking. What I'm gonna teach you today is how to make fritters. And the twist about this fritters that we're gonna do, we're gonna make Ackee and Salt fish fritters. Yes, you heard me right. We are gonna incorporate the Ackee and the saltfish in our fritters. So what you're gonna need for your ingredients, everything you see that I have here is what we have. One tomato, we got peppers, onion, we got garlic, we got scotch bonnet pepper, aka habanero, you call it how you do here in America, and we got some green onions. And yes, we have our saltfish right here. You don't know, we can't do Ackee and saltfish without Ackee. The canned Ackee, to me, don't know about anybody else, but to me it tastes the same as when you get it from a tree. To be honest, I don't know, but it does taste the same, so you don't lose anything. No more talk. With this, I get everything ready. So let me tell you what I'm gonna do. I started off with the veggies first: the onion, the tomato, the peppers, the garlic, and the green onions. I get everything all chopped up and prepped and ready, so I get to it right now. Alright, so basically what I did here is all the season that you saw I had on that plate, all the season that I had on that plate, I pretty much put it in my manual food processor. Yo, this thing is fun to use. Like I'm glad that I bought it. It's fun. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a cup of pull and get everything kind of chop up, because I put in our fritters, you know, really no want it too big or too small. So now we have our mise en place ready. This is everything that we need that's going to be in the Ackee and the saltfish mixture. So I'm going to actually boil the saltfish right now. The saltfish, like I said, salt fish. It's a salted fish. I already have the bone in. This is how we do it in the Caribbean. We actually purchase our fish like that. This normally when you're doing the Ackee and saltfish, I boil it twice in a span of 40 minutes. But I'm going to give it one boil because we're not going to... It's not going to overpower our dish that we're doing, but we have to boil it first because it's super salt. So if you had salted fish or salted cod, whatever it is, this is it. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to boil it. So we're going to come back to the video. All right, family? So with saltfish bubbling right behind me, I bubble it, I go crazy about the saltfish. I go crazy about this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make our batter. Our batter is usually you can use eggs, but you know, in the Caribbean we don't use eggs. We're gonna use flour and water. So for the flour, I'm gonna use 2 cups, and for as much, I'm gonna do 2 cups of flour to probably. So it's very important you remove all the bone, the skin off of the saltfish. We don't need that. So I carefully pick through it, get everything off there. Really what you really need is just the flesh of the salted fish. And then this is a codfish, I think. Traditionally, this is what the type of saltfish that we use. A little bit thicker than the usual. And then alright, so now we're gonna prepare our Ackee. We just pick up the fish, remove the bones and all of that, and take all the good stuff off it. So now we are going to make our mix. I'm excited. Everyone knows fritters tends to be greasy, so I prefer to use olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil I'm using. You can use any oil you want, or what you know. Since if I'm going to consume something, I have to at least know it's working on the inside and not only destroying. Okay. Hey, remember, hit like, subscribe, and share, and do hit that bell icon to get notification when I post. It's the Rapping Chef.